This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can search for a word in a Google Doc. Let's say that you have typed a document or you've gotten a document from someone else and you need to search for specific information in that document. Well, that is possible to do in Google Docs. One option is to click on the Edit pull-down menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. You'll select Edit and then select Find and Replace. And then there you can type in whatever word that you're searching for. I'm going to enter the word field, and as you can see, as I type in the word, Google Docs goes ahead and looks for that word and highlights it. And then if that word occurs more than one time, you can select next or previous to go to other instances of that word being used. You can also use a keyboard shortcut, which on the Mac would be Command F and on Windows would be Control F. And when you do that, you will have a box open in the upper right-hand corner. And I've already put the word though in that box. And I'm going to just type another word. I'm going to look for Cold War. And you'll see that Google Docs has highlighted the word Cold War in the document. If you found this video helpful, please click that subscribe button and leave a comment if you have a question that you would like me to possibly address in a future video. And please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.